Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a Minecraft server with mods. Let's get started. Modded Minecraft servers are great because they add new items, mechanics, and features that you don't get in vanilla Minecraft. Let's jump right in. First, make sure Minecraft is closed. Open the web browser and go to CurseForge.com and select Minecraft and click on mods. Then start choosing the mods you want to use and make sure every mod you download uses the same Minecraft version and the Forge mod loader. Then download all the mods you plan to use. Next, search for Minecraft Forge and go to official Forge website. Download the Forge installer that matches the same game version as your mods. Once downloaded, open the installer and choose Install Client and click OK. If Forge doesn't open, make sure Java is installed on your computer. And after that, open the Minecraft launcher and go to Installations and find the Forge version you just installed. Click the folder icon to open the game directory, then open the mods folder and paste in all the mods you downloaded. Launch Minecraft using Forge once to make sure the mods load correctly, then close the game. Now it's time to create a server. Open the Forge installer again, but this time select Install server, create a new folder, then name it something like modded Minecraft server and install the server files there. Once it's done, run the run.bat file. Then the server will stop and ask you to agree to the EULA. Open EULA.txt, change false to true and save the file and run run.bat again. Next, open the server's mods folder and paste the same mods into it. Start the server again. Finally, launch Minecraft with Forge, then go to multiplayer and click add server and type localhost as the server address. Join the server and you're now playing on your own modded Minecraft server. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.